Meaning of element.
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 Element. In chemistry, an element refers to a substance composed of only one type of atom. Atoms are the basic building blocks of matter and cannot be broken down into simpler substances by chemical means. Each element is defined by its unique number of protons in the nucleus of its atoms, known as the atomic number. There are currently 118 known elements, with each having distinct properties and behaviors. Elements are fundamental to our understanding of chemistry and play crucial roles in many aspects of everyday life, including technology, medicine, and energy production.